Welcome back, guys, to the channel, and I got a short video here today. We're gonna go over the extension app Datacy. So if you guys want to go to the description, there'll be a link. Just paste that into your web browser, preferably Google. I don't think it works on Edge or it works, I think, on Chrome. It's gonna take you to this website. It's gonna say you were redirected by me. Basically, you are selling your data. Companies already do it, so why not you? You sell your data just for doing whatever on your browser. So if you're active on your computer, you will make money. Otherwise, if you're not active, you will. I'll show my earnings in a while. You could earn up to $30 a month. It's different for everybody, but it really depends on what you do on the internet. But it is safe though, so you're not gonna like leak highly important information. It's just and you can also filter certain websites. So if you are concerned about passwords getting leaked or whatever, but pretty much the company's on top of it, and they keep all data safe that is pretty sensitive. So once you do install it and you follow the steps, you just want to go back to your Chrome home, and you should have this Datacy extension. See, now with having this extension on, it's going to track all your movement online. See, now currently I have $15.82. I have withdrawn from this before. So, it's pretty cool. And your insights, I don't think it loads on here. But look, let's go onto the dashboard. I have earned a total of $54.82. Let's see my insights. This basically tells you the overview of where your data's come from. It's pretty transparent. And then if you also connect your Reddit, your X account, and your YouTube account, you can earn more. Currently, Reddit and X, I don't think they're doing anything. They just have you connect. I don't know. But this will come in the future. Here's the privacy tab, in which you can restrict certain websites. And then here's my earnings tab. When you currently join as a new Datacy member, this will be at 0, because what Datacy has to do, it has to match you with a merchant buyer that will buy your data. But Datacy will still pay you less than the average, but you will still get paid, and eventually you will get hooked up with a licensed buyer that will pay for your data. And my new favorite thing is the Invite Friends tab. So you can earn money just for referring people on here. And it'd be greatly appreciated if you guys can use this code right here, NPKWFC. And I think that's a wrap for today's video, guys. That's the whole Datacy extension. It's a pretty cool extension, and I think you guys should try it out. As always, like, subscribe, and check out my new videos.